Hello everyone. This is Madhu Reddy from Money Breeder. Uh, yes, in last video, I have discussed about the uh, strategy where we can make 25,000 rupees by using the 5 lakh capital. Okay. So for the same strategy, I have explained how to allocate the capital, what is the position size, risk management, stock selection process, stop loss and the target methods, all the details. The continuation of the same thing, right? Same video. Today I am going to discuss about the position management techniques. Once you take the position, when we get the loss, but it is not hitting the stop loss, or when we get the profit, where stock still having the strength to move up. Okay, in the both the cases, how to manage the position uh, is the biggest question we are having. So for that, I arrived with the solution with some mathematics calculations. Okay, where I am going to explain in detail today. Okay, let's take an example. Let's take an example. I took the position into National Aluminium. Okay, the National Aluminium stock. I took the position. This is the National Aluminium stock. Okay, I took it 86.75. Okay, current market price is 83.91. This is the current market price. Okay, let's go to the technical analysis first. Okay, previous study, as per my previous study, I felt like, okay, this is going to be the breakout. Okay, it may break out. So, but what happened was this is not the breakout. So I felt like this is the horizontal line. When the horizontal trend line is breaking, it may move further. That was my expectation, but whereas I am failed. Now if we see, right, another technical analysis says that, okay, this was the I'm taking, this is the another trend line I am drawing actually. If we see another trend line I am drawing. If I draw the another trend line, right, what happening in this, right, it breakout retest going up, right? Okay, this is the another trend line. I felt like this is the horizontal trend line. Maybe this is not the right way of looking in this chart. Now I am taking into the different methodology. Okay, this is what now triangle pattern breakout retest. It may go up. Okay, this was the right study. Maybe we are not sure. Okay, in the both the direction. Now we wanted to analyze what happened. Okay, now the stock is going to reversal. Okay, I took the stock, but my study is wrong. Maybe some small correction, because this big green candle 5% up. After that again 2% up, total 7% up. After going up by 7%, it is half retracement, it came back. Okay, but we are with our greediness, or with our whatever the way you can say, we took the position somehow by convincing ourselves. Okay, now we are in the wrong. Okay, I waited, but my stop loss is not hitting. Now I am feeling, okay, as per our study, as per our system, trading system, I was waiting in the metal sector. Okay, if we go to the infra metal sector, right? Here I think I have not put auto consumption, infra, MNC, PSU, reality. Okay, I missed the metal sector here. Let's go to the sector. Okay, Nifty metal sector. See the metal sector performance. See the metal sector performance. Now metal sector started performing good. Now this is the time for me to average it. Okay. because my stop loss not it yet. I wanted to average it now. Okay, yesterday I left the one open question where we took the three stocks only maximum, which is around a capital of 3.5 lakh to 4 lakh. Still 1 lakh rupees we are keeping in our account by using how to utilize that 1 lakh rupees. Now I am going to explain in this. Let's say now I am thinking the stock may start reversal. It may not hit my stop loss, which is previous low. I put like 80 rupees. Okay. It may not hit the stop loss as per my expectation, but intermediate it started moving up. Now I wanted to scale up my position by taking little more risk. This is a small risk I am taking. Okay. As per my study, I feel like the stock goes to the 100 or 11111 is my target. Okay, if we see right national aluminum, what the target we mentioned, national aluminum, right? National aluminum IRCTC looking good. Somewhere I might have posted the chart. Okay, let's find out what is the entry details I posted. Okay, here if we see the national aluminum, right, we see 111 is the my target. Okay, at the same time 81 or this is the 80 is the stop loss. Okay, as for this one, let's go to the risk reward calculator. Okay, in the risk reward calculator, what I calculated was earlier, my entry was, let's take my entry was 87. I supposed to buy the 1450 stocks. Okay, so my entry is currently, what is the my entry, 86.75. Okay, approximately I thought of buying at 87.25 paisa. I got raise, so for that less, right, what I did was I increased the some 20 stocks here, so totally I bought 1450. My position is 1450 now. Okay, this is my 1450. Now how much I wanted to invest extra? I wanted to average it. Okay, for that the formula which I have made is, okay, some general formula. What is the current market price? Okay, let me go to the calculator. Okay, what is the current market price for this stock? My entry is 86.75, 86.75 plus. What is the current market price? 83.91. Let's say tomorrow it opens here only. I am going to buy at 84 rupees. I am thinking to buy 84 rupees. Now this is the total price by 2. Okay, how much? My average price is 85.35. Let me write this 85.35 is average price. Okay, for time being you can assume you are doing the 1:1 ratio average. Okay, not yet finalized how much position we wanted to take. This 85.35 is the average buy price now. Okay, with previously what is the risk, what is the reward? Okay, the actual amount 1,24,000. Just I am taking this snap for our reference. I'm taking the snap for our reference. Just I'm pasting here. Let's see. So what is the profit? 34,000 here. Let me take this 34,000. Somewhere some problem is there. This is the profit, total profit. Total loss is fixed, 10,000 rupees. Okay. The risk reward is, what is the risk reward we are having? 1 is to 3.5. 1 is to 3.45, also approximate values. Okay, it's not a big deal. Now just I am changing the entry price. We calculated the average price. This is the average price I wanted to buy. Now this is the average price. Okay, let us go to the with refreshment. Okay, what is the average price currently? As per our calculation, 85.3. Okay, I'm just putting the entry 85.3. 35 is my entry. Okay, stop loss is still the same stop loss. The target is still 11117 only. Now with this position size, right? How much it is showing? Now 1864 stocks it is showing. Okay, this 1864 stocks we supposed to buy for taking the risk. So already how many stocks we bought? 1450 I bought. 1869 1869 minus 1450 stock I bought. So total 419 units. Okay, let's take the 419 into what is the price we wanted to buy. Tomorrow market I am expecting to open at 84. Okay, I wanted to keep buy at 84 rupees. How much? 35,196 rupees I am going to invest. Okay, from the 1 lakh rupees capital, the leftover capital I was talking, 1 lakh rupees we were having in the reserve. From this, okay, from this, how much I am going to use? 35,196. Okay, let us fill here. 35,196 I wanted to use. For this one, what is the current market entry? 84. Stop loss is that one only. Target price is same thing. How many units? We are going to get 419 units. Okay, how much risk we are adding is the important. Okay, already in the existing position we are having the 10,000 risk. Okay, but now we are adding additional, we are taking additional risk of 15 percentage. Okay, which is 1600 rupees, 16.76. Okay, this much percentage of risk we are adding. Our 10,000 rupees we are stretchable risk we are taking, really, reliable risk, additional risk we wanted to take 1600 rupees additional risk for this 10,000. So now total risk how much? It is going to be the 11,676 is my risk, total risk. For the risk I am taking 11,1600. The target is not changed. Still I am believing that it will go up only. Okay, and some small risk, additional risk I wanted to take because the stock reached to the support level. If this reverse, by chance if this reverses, okay, the stop loss is very low and still the target is very big. So the risk reward, for small risk you are aiming the big reward. Okay, for small risk you are aiming the big reward. What is that reward? See the reward, 11,000 rupees you are 11,000 rupees you are targeting by risking the 1600 rupees. Okay, this is the advantage for averaging. When you are trying to average, right, you should not average here and there and whatever the wish to average. Let's say you are having 1 lakh position, you should not do 3 lakh position average. Okay, and also wherever you want, you should not do the average. You should wait for the price to decline and do the sector analysis. Now all the metal sector stocks started moving up. I am expecting this to go up. This is my expectation. Now it's time for me to add, to scale up my position. Okay, for that I wanted to take only the risk. Okay, what is the amount I invested already? 1.2 lakhs I invested, in which 1 by 4th risk I wanted to take, which is 30,000 rupees only. This is the beautiful mass behind this 5 lakh rupees. I designed this 5 lakh rupees for averaging. When the stock price goes down, what to do? By risking small amount, how to scale up our position. Okay, previously what is this? Our profitability for 10,000 rupees risk, we are expecting 34,000 rupees profit. Now for the 11,600, how much we are expecting? Okay, additionally how much amount we are going to get? We are expecting 11,000 rupees. Okay, you add 11,000 rupees, which is going to be the around 45,000. How much risk you are taking? The risk we are taking 1600. With the 1600 we are aiming for the 11,000 rupees. Okay, this is where the you have to, it's a time for me to do the average. When you wanted to do the average, stock should have the hope to reversal, sector should start performing outperforming the nifty, all the stocks into the sector. Okay, more than 70% of the stock in the sector should move into our direction, then it's time for the reversal. So now if the position goes wrong, what we have to do? The conclusion here is, okay, first what we have to do, whatever the price, existing price, we took it, that X price plus the current market price, CMP, okay, divided by 2, you are going to take the average price. From this average price, recalculate it, the position sizing. In this recalculation, right, previously you got like X dash stocks, now you got like X double dash. Okay, this between this difference, right, the difference for this, we got like 415 stocks. These 415 stocks I am going to add additionally by risking additional 1500 rupees around. Okay, 1500 rupees around, 1500 rupees around, and I am aiming for around 11,000 rupees. By risking lowest amount, I am aiming for this. So my total position, my total position is going to be like now. Okay, it is going to be how much? The total position, previously it was like previously it was like 1.2. Now we are pumping additional 35 lakhs, 35,000 rupees. So totally it is going to be the around 1.5 to 1.5 rupees. Okay, 1.5 lakh rupees. So maximum still it is under control, manageable. 1 lakh rupees you are having the capital. From this 1 lakh rupees, how much you are using? Already you are having the three stocks. Okay, you wanted to use maximum 1 by third of this capital for the average. 1 lakh rupees you are having the 1 lakh rupees. In that 1 by third, 30,000 rupees. With this 30,000 rupees approximately we are buying this. So remaining 60,000 rupees, same thing may happen to other two stocks. You can use this 60,000 rupees for other stocks. Wait until the time. So this 1 lakh rupees magic number fulfilled our purpose, right? Okay, you are buying 3.5 lakh position approximately. You are having 1 lakh to 1.5 lakh rupees. Okay, in which 1 by third only you are going to make the average. For this, the average calculation I mentioned, at any cost you should not go beyond 1 by third. Okay, because the position which you are losing, for the losing position we should not average it. Okay, we should not increase the risk. If the risk is very low, then only go for the average. Risk is very high, don't go for the average. Let the stop loss hit and find the other stock. Okay, now it's the time I am thinking, okay, the stock having some strength, still I am believing it may go up, it may start reversal. That is the reason here it's the time for me to average it. Otherwise, I will not average. Let it go and hit the stop loss. Now, for the 10,000 rupees loss, I am adding little bit loss, little more, 500 more, okay, with the hope of getting 11,000 rupees. This is the what the maths. We have to use our brain. Okay, take the position. Now let's go for the case. This is the first case is when we are losing the stock, and after losing some amount, now started the reversal. Okay, now started the reversal. In this model, right, what happens, you took at the highest level 87 rupees. Now stock reached to the 83 rupees. It may go to the 87 again and come back. Okay, but still, if that goes to the 87, right, your average price is becoming like 85 only, right? 85 or 86. Still, you will be in the profit of 1 rupee. Remember this, 1 rupee. In worst case, if you think here it is reversal, you can exit the position with no loss, no gain, and find out the other horse to ride. Okay, that is the logic behind this 5 lakh rupees capital. Okay, you should have the proper capital, then only you should trade in the market. Now take the second case where your position hit the target, or very close to the target. Now near this, some events or something happened and your stock started falling, or results are bad, something like that. Okay, you feel like this reached maximum, it may fall now. Okay, don't book. Or at the same time, you are in the dilemma, it may still run up. Okay, you take the case where we got the enough money, right? The target hit stock, one stock we can take which is hit the target. What is that? Jansar Tech, for example. Nifty, 1 second guys. Somewhere somebody posted me the Jansar Tech, okay, where they got the profit of this is the, what is our target in the Jansar Tech chart, right? If we go to the Jansar Tech chart, okay, the target price is 400. Target price is 400. Still the stock having the strength. Now it's a time for me to book some amount, since this is the very short term stock we are trading. That's where now it's a time for me to book the partial amount. Okay, partial means how much amount we have to book. So now what is the profit we are having? The profit we are having 22,000 rupees. Okay, let's take the current market price. What is the current market price? The Jansar Tech 406. Okay, 22,000 rupees is the profit, divided by, okay, 405 is the stock price. How much? 54 quantity we have to book. What we have to do? 54 quantity, you book it. Let's take in this case, okay, how much quantity we are having? 304. From the 304 you are booking 54, so remaining 250 will be there. Okay, let's run with this 250 until the next high. Okay, let's open the chart and find out. Okay, what is this? Jansar Tech, right? Jansar Tech. Okay, now this is all time high breakout. Okay, now we reached to this mountain. Till this point we reached. Okay, slowly it may go. Next aim is this one. Aim for the next high. Okay, assume a case. In the worst case, the stock start falling. Okay, it is breakout, right? Where it started the breakout. From the breakout only you took the position. It came here. Okay, it came here, retest, it may go move up, right? So here your profit you booked, Your existing 250 position, there is no issue, it came to the your same price, whatever the entry price you are having, same price it came. Now it came back to here, you find that it is going up direction, whatever the amount, the 22,000 you booked, okay, start rebuy that 54 stocks here, by the 54 stock in this range. Okay, this is the reversal. If this is coming down, if this is coming down, okay, your loss, right, now it reached to the position where your entry equal, okay, you already booked the 22,000 rupees, still you are having the hope to carry until 22,000 rupees loss, which is 30% from the entry, from the 30% from the entry, from the where, from the top it is 60% retracement. Do you think such a bullish stock, okay, 60% fall? May not fall, some retracement is expected. When that retracement comes, you can take the re-entry. Even if that goes right, no loss no gain. 60% after the stock falling the 60%, you came up with no loss no gain. This is how you have to manage the money in the stock. Okay, simple, this is very simple. Okay, in case of averaging it is a little complex, wherever complex things are there, where money losing the money concept will be there. Okay, if the easy concept, whatever the easy, right, easily we can make the money. Okay, now whatever the profit target hit, okay, the expected profit, you think like 20,000 rupees, you book this 20,000 rupees now, okay, and you leave the position. In worst case, if this comes for the retest, okay, use the same 22,000 to take the entry. Okay, in worst case it is not coming back, it is running towards to this place. Okay, now next target, it reached to the next target. Okay, now the what is the stop loss? Now previous entry will be the stop loss. This is the your entry price is the stop loss for the move your stop loss to the entry price, and the target for this one, and your profit, whatever the expected profit, you got it. Okay, when a stock which is bullish and giving enough money, why you need another stock? By booking entire thing and going with the other stock and taking other risk and doing the other study, all those things, by spending additional time, all those things are not feasible. Okay, the stock itself giving you enough money, why? Okay, you keep the next target here, you booked your profit, same capital. Now because it ran up the 33%, so high risk is there, you took your profit. That is what your, when the high risk is there, your position size has to reduce. Okay, you already reduced your position size by 1 by 4th or 1 by 5th. Okay, it reduced 1 minus 1 by 4 percentage, you already reduced your position. Now the risk is very high, so your position also you reduced, there is no problem. Let it go and hit the target, you may got 100%. If this comes back, okay, let it hit the target, you got your initial profit. Only the thing is the time consuming process between this travel, right? Stock may go up down, up down, up down, up down, all those things. Finally you ended up with a happy movement. Okay, this is how you should trade with this 5 lakh rupees capital always. Okay, this is what I designed, this strategy, total strategy, the math behind this strategy. Use the 5 lakh rupees capital, decide to have the 3 to 4 stocks. Okay, don't invest all the money, keep 1 lakh rupees additionally in your hand. If any stocks goes, okay, use 30% of the money on the reversal for the averaging. Any stocks hit the targets, okay, book that, whatever the profit is there, that much quantity you have to book. If that comes for the retracement, again you can add the same quantity back. Okay, if that is not coming back to the retracement level, okay, let it go to the next level. In this process, okay, already the stock run up 33%, there is a risk or reversal risk will be there. So you need to reduce the position size. You already reduced the position size as per the rule by booking. your profit back. Okay, your position is not changed, your total investment is not changed. Okay, still you are running with the stock for that month, whatever the 45 days or 30 days you expected target, you achieved your target, still reinvested in the stock until it goes to the next level. Okay, here the condition, the procs are like, when the stock is running into your direction, okay, why should you need other stock? This is the biggest question. So not required. Okay, you can capture entire thing. Sometimes the stock may go 200%, 500%. Gold IIM, okay, I gave for 160 to 165 levels. It went all through the 1200 within a 6 months, within 6 to 8 months only. Okay, how much time? 12, 12x, right? Where is the 160 and where is the 1200 and 150? Okay, more than 10 times it went, more than 8 times actually, if you calculate, right? Okay, 160 by 1200, if you put some number will come, that is, okay, uh, something like 9 or 10 something. Okay, you calculate thoroughly. I am little weak in the mathematics. So this is the strategy. Here I am stopping it. Okay, if you are having any questions or any doubts, okay, please post in the comment box or you contact me. I will try to explain over the phone also, I am fine. Okay, but before calling me you should message me and find out my free time, so that I could I could spend more time for the explanation. So it's a very easy. The stock selection I made it within 5 minutes. You can select the stock. Okay, four green system. You can check the four green. Okay, if it is a breakout, okay, previous breakout, or it is a retesting stage, all the stocks automatically it will come in our system. Okay, find the stock, calculate risk properly. You have to calculate the risk. Risk management is not like joke or comedy, boss. Okay, listen. Okay, the risk management is the professional way of earning the money. If you are not following the risk management, you never make the money. Okay, so with this risk management I showed you how to average it, how to book the profit, how to make the returns. With 5 lakh rupees easily you can make your 25,000 rupees. Now going forward, I may not be available for giving you the stocks. Okay, now I give you the mechanism to select by your own. In case if you wanted to take any stock, okay, don't pick the stocks outside of my system. If you pick the stocks from my system, then only I can guess what is happening in the system, because my system, the code implemented by me, so I know what is the volumes are moving. Okay, who is buying, where is the sellers, where is the buyers, all the algorithms I wrote. Because of that, the moment I see the stock in my system, I can predict, okay, what is happening in the system, what is happening in the stock price. Okay, price action. That is where I always request you guys to get the stocks. If you are having the doubts to ask the stock, can I enter or can I exit, all those things, right? Better to take my from my system, so that that will give you me some satisfaction, as well as some time saving thing. For every stock, studying the so many things we have to study. Okay, let me list out the things you have to look. Okay, what is the current market price? Okay, what is the moving average showing? The trend you have to find. Okay, how you will find the trend? By using the moving averages, RSI, Bollinger Band, X, Y, Z, ADX, whatever the you want. Okay, moving average convergences, moving average crossovers. Okay, so many things you have to do. Okay, once you find one stock, okay, which is bullish. Okay, now trend is bullish. For trading, just bullishness is not enough. Okay, for trading you need trend is required. Once you find the trend bullish, okay, pattern also required, which should be the bullish pattern. If the pattern is not matching, only trend is there, means this trend might be the fake trend. Some trap might have created. So you must have the trend, you must have the pattern, then only you have to calculate the risk, all those things for finding the trend, for finding the patterns. Okay, I need to plot the chart and find so many things. That is the reason when you ask the questions on any stock, right? Well, the first question I will ask, where did you get this stock? Okay, from the YouTubers, I am not sure. Okay, if you get from my channel, then only I can guess what is happening in the system. Okay, so stock selection I made, position size I made, required capital we streamlined. Okay, how to utilize the maximum capacity with threshold, with having some additional buffer, all the details I explained. Okay, use the things properly, do the study properly. Okay, take the entries, wait till it hit the stop loss or target, and process, follow this process. When it goes down, do the averaging it. Okay, that average should not be whatever you wish to do. Okay, some mathematical calculation should be there. For profit book also, you should not book here and there. Okay, you have to wait until the target reaches. Once the target reaches, okay, still the stock and sector having the strength to move, then you can go for the holding the position. Otherwise you can book the position by satisfying the target. Okay, this is how you should trade. Okay, thank you friends, here I am stopping. If you like my whatever the study, whatever the maths behind this, all this research done by me. Okay, if you like all these things, please like my video, and also you try to subscribe for it, and also please help me to grow my channel. It is like I am feeling little bit so far. What I am thinking was, I don't care. Really, it is not matters for me. You follow or not. But this 317, 320 is the long time consolidation. It should break out. At least I wanted to see the 320 for this year. Okay, that is the reason I am asking to subscribe for my channels, Telegram channel, all those things. I was doing, perfect job, but I don't want to give the advertisement, all those things. Okay, just all the best for you, for your trading with this strategy. You can start earning, but please do your own study before taking into any position. I'm not a SEBI registered, analyst or advisor. The standard disclaimer will be always applicable. Okay, here I'm showing the standard disclaimer as well. This is the standard disclaimer. Okay, I'm not a SEBI registered analyst or advisor. Please do your own research before taking into any position into any stock. Okay, thank you friends.